In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add your most recent tweets to your website. It could be any website, WordPress blog, or any website you want to add them to. So they'll automatically be posted on your site as they appear. Okay, so first of all, of course, you have to log into your Twitter account. And then over here, where the little face is, you need to click on that and then go to Settings. Okay, now, once you're in here, you want to go over to Profile. And then halfway down the page, you'll see you can also add Twitter to your site here. So click on that, and then click on Widgets. Okay, and then over here, click on My Widgets. And then where it says Profile Widget, click on that. Okay, and over on the right, you see an ad block. This is what it would look like right now. But if you click on Preferences, you can change some things here. So you can check any of these boxes to change anything on here. Okay, and then you can go over to Appearance. Okay, now here we can change the way the block looks. And then here we have dimensions. So if you want it to fit on a sidebar or something, you could change the width to 160, for instance, or auto width. Okay, you can do either way. Okay, let's test settings. And then you can finish and grab code. I'm going to just change this to auto width. So we click finish and grab code. Now here we grab this. And then all you got to do is paste this into your site. Okay, so if we wanted to add it to our WordPress blog, for instance, you would, I'm just going to show you on a new page, but you just put this code on any page where you want it. So I'm going to call it my tweets. We're just going to create a new page for it, but you can do it on any page. Okay, then click on HTML here, and then paste this in. Okay, and then we'll just publish. Now, if we go look at the page, okay, so there they are there. You have a page for your tweets on your blog, or of course you can just put them in with any other page, or with any other page on your blog, or you can put them on any website. Okay, so that's how you add your tweets to your website.